Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me on my art and cooking channel. My name is Cynthia Maynard, and today I have some drawing with relatively simple drawings, but they were fun to do. I'm using here something, it's a zebra disposable brush pen, and I really love it. It says disposable, but they really do last a long time. But I like the tip on them is like very firm and yet very fine, so you can get, some pretty fine lines with it. I like it because the tip, and the more pressure you apply, you can get up to thicker lines. So it makes, if you're a brush letterer, that would be fun. I'm not so great with that. Something on my to-do list to learn, but it's great for drawing. And the ink, I don't know if I already said this because my voiceover got wackadoodle there and I had to redo it. But anyways, my the ink will take lots of water media. So it has bled once when I was super saturating something, but other than that, it's been fine. But and I'm not super careful with with my ink. I want my ink to stay when I put it down. But fun flowers to draw. Great pen to use, Zebra from Jet Pens. If you haven't checked out Jet Pens, they do have a YouTube channel here, and they have great prices. For example, I just bought a paintbrush. It was $2.50, and on Amazon it's like $10 to $12. So you can see, it's just, I don't know. It just makes you wonder about Amazon. But some things on Amazon are great, and other things are severely marked up. So you just have to know what to get, right? And where to get it. But Jet Pens, I recommend. They are a great little company. So anyways, I will leave links down below for the supplies that I can. And of course, I'm going in here. Oh, I've got my Tombow marker out. That's what I've got there. And so basically this is a mixed media flower because I've got Inktense pencils, my Tombow markers, and later I'm going to get a little shimmer pen out here. But Tombow markers are great too. Great art supply. Art supply is fun. And I love working with them all together because they kind of do work all together for the most part. So going in with some color, making some variegations with some purples and pinks here is what I was going for. It's nice about the Tombow markers. You can put it down and then blend it out with water, and which is what I'm going to do here. And yeah, it's a fun little floral sketch. Of course, I take these and I make digital. I remove the background and I make surface pattern designs with them for fabric at Spoonflower. And again, I will leave links down below. If you would like and subscribe, that would be great because that supports this channel, lets YouTube know to push out this video to other people, which is a help to other people and a help to me. And so it kind of helps everybody out. But that would be greatly appreciated. And if you don't like it, even if you hit the dislike button, that's helpful too. So yeah, it is. That's engagement. So here I'm going in with my Tombow shimmer pen. It's got like this beautiful shimmery liquid that comes out, and just gives a little something to the flowers. That is fun. And when you all gets dried up, you can clean it out and use it as a paintbrush. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me. I hope that you get down into your art supplies and start creating something today. I hope you have a blessed day, and do check out those links below, and I hope that you'll see you in the next video.